So, in a not so bizarre turn of events, and for reasons that I'm always unable to fathom, a couple of days ago, my toddler Saurus decided to put up a public display of his aggressive affection by headbutting against my nose. And I'm not going to lie, since I was not expecting it, it hurt pretty good. And when he saw me wincing in pain is the moment that he realized that he has actually hurt his eye. So his face just fell. And this was all an act of love, pure love. So he came up to me, and as an act of apology now, he wanted to put his fingers in my nose in his defense to check if my nose is bleeding. So, and when I denied this concern of his, is when he sat quiet for a while next to me, and then he saw me also quietly sitting, and then again he just, unannounced came to bite my nose. Or in that process he was unsuccessful, so he did lick my nose though. So, and this is all an act of love and an act of apology respectively. Okay, let me just reiterate. So, a result of this smothering love is that congratulations to me on getting down with a very, very bad throat infection. I shall be out for a minimum of 1 week. And my body hurts. My head hurts so bad. It feels like my toddler is banging a drum on my head. And I'm having a lot of trouble speaking, as you can see. The coughing has gone down a little bit, but the nasal congestion is driving me mad. And since he's also down with a viral, I cannot afford to take a medicine that has sedative in it. Or for that matter, I cannot afford to take any medicine at all. So yeah, welcome to motherhood. This is exactly how beautiful motherhood is. It's a gift that truly keeps on giving. And in motherhood, love leaves its marks. Love hurts, quite literally.